59 Impala in the yard, 409 growling in the dark, 4 on the floor, gate feels tight, black paint mean under 4th of July. Chrome strip feels like it's alive, dogs tail thumping while I drive, dust lines.
A whole bunch of hot rods. This is the nicest one. All of them I do are nice. This one, because it's a 59 and they got 20-foot quarter panels, and you're blocking them, and I blocked on this thing for 3 months.
I've got a 59 El Camino.
Oh, you do?
I just
Okay.
painted it
I think
black.
you told me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Well,
It's a beautiful car.
it is a spectacular car, and it's the nicest 59. Probably the body is the nicest one. And I've been a whole bunch of 59s when I was looking. But this one is all original quarters, original doors, fenders. There's no rust. There was no rust out on anything. Good. Everything's
frame off rotisserie.
I didn't take a no. I put it up on jack stands so I didn't have a lift. So I climbed under it with a wire brush, stripped all underneath, and redid all the underneath. All the suspension was out of it. The only thing I didn't do was the mounts, the body mounts themselves. Everything else was stripped down.
You didn't split it.
Yeah.
Right.
So other than that, everything, all the brake lines, I meant everything. There probably wasn't anything. The auto wire, I told them, I think I said before, the wiring was something else, but it was an auto wire. It's all new wiring harness, and they run you a video, tell you exactly how to run it through, and it does a really good job. And a professionally built engine by a race engine builder. He built it on a test stand, got it fired up, so ran it. So I went down and I put it in and just turn key and go. But there's no leaks, I've never had.
Yeah, so it's on carpet, so.
Yeah, there's nothing. It's clean. And then the serpentine belt, that was $2,500.
Yeah, well, the first thing I'll do is put air conditioning on it.
Yeah. I'm from Washington. So
yeah, I know.
you don't use a lot of AC on it. And I bought a set of headers for it, and I tried to get them in there, but I spent a lot of money on them. Finally, I got truck exhausts that are larger bore, and had them worked on by him, and then coated with it's like kind of cat plating. I don't know what they call it, but it's a coating for the exhaust to keep it good. But all the rubbers here and everything, all new weather, of course, all new weather strips. And bumpers were chromed by the custom chrome shop in Spokane. They do all the custom car shows, and they're beautiful.
This is one reason why I won't build another car or motorcycles, because I can't get any plating done.
Oh well, Spokane's got they call it it's I don't remember the name of them now. They do for all the what's the European stuff where they have all that's out on the grass and Concourse.
Concourse, yeah.
Concourse. They do all the concourse stuff. They're not cheap. I got a lot of money on the bumpers.
I got a guy in Salt Lake
these,
actually Ogden, and I've got another guy in California, Sherm Crony.
Sherm's, yeah,
they're
expensive.
Yeah. It's expensive no matter
these,
where you
and
go.
I put my serial number on the back of the bumper.
Yeah, that's true.
I put my number on the bumper so I know I get my own bumpers back, because I knew these were perfect. There was not a ding in these in all of the chrome.
You just don't find those every day either.
No. When they're out there, they're usually pretty rugged. Yeah. Stainless steel, I did myself. I polished. I've done that for years. Polished all the stainless. The only molding that I had was back here that I had to buy, and this took me 2 years to get this one freaking molding. Yeah, those are cooked off. Yeah. New windshield. It had a small crack in there.
Body's laser straight.
Oh, it is absolutely.
Looking at,
Not a rip.
Yeah, get down and put an eyeball down low too. I'm laying on the ground with a long block this long, and over and over and over. Gaps, I'm a fanatic for gaps. The gaps are perfect.
My 55 has been done for a few years, but the paint job was $80,000.
Yeah.
I mean,
you can just
to the
get
point where
you can just get
it's
crazy.
not worth it anymore.
Right.
It's,
You want to go to a Kindig and you got $50 million or something and spend 500,000 for it, you know, it is what it is. You can make it so the bottom is as shiny as the top. I didn't do that. The underneath side, I sprayed it black. I think it was a thin coat of undercoat on it.
It's happy. I'm happy.
Yeah, it's happy.
I'm happy. So.
Well, you've got other cars other than El Camino then?
Oh gosh, I got a 10,000 square foot shop right next to my house, and it's full.
Yeah.
And I've got a collection of motorcycles as well.
I restored antique airplanes for years.
Oh,
and
okay.
years. I got a car thing was my made a living and played with them, but I had an old Traveler 4000. I flew that around. It's an open cockpit radio engine.
Oh wow!
And I had a Super Cub and a Cessna 180. So that's when I kind of played with, and then on the sideline
Where'd you fly out of?
Beltsfield.
Okay, my uncle owns Spokane Airways.
Oh yeah, and we talked about that.
chassis.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. A buddy of mine used to work for him.
Yeah.
On this poster board, I've got in there that it's 525 horsepower. Now, we built the engine from an Edelbrock. Edelbrock made a book, and it's how to build a 409 and for 500 horsepower. So we took their specs and built of course, the aluminum heads, the Edelbrock heads, the intake manifold, dual force, roller rockers, with H-beam rods, all the new hardware inside, and so I don't know what horsepower it is, but it's got a lot of power, but I just don't want to misrepresent.
That doesn't bother me a bit. Okay.
If you put your foot in it, it's going to lay in the back if you want to do that.
No, this car will sit with the rest of them. And it's tough to take them out. They want me to bring this tomorrow to the car show. And I think, man, let me
you might want to get a little used to it before. Let me open the trunk here.
So everything went through the wires?
Black paint mean on the 4th of July. Chrome strip grins like it's alive. Dogs tail thumping while I drive. Dust line chasing in the rear view glass. Gas foot heavy, heartbeat fast. Black paint, chrome is shining. Moonlight riding on the hood. Big block howling like it's fighting. Every back road in the woods. If trouble's what I'm defining.
You don't want to drill a hole.
And trouble's what I'm sitting in. Black paint, chrome is shining. I twist that key and sing again. Oh yeah.
Air still laser straight, so it's up to you from there.
Okay, well.
But just the antenna. It's got the radio is a vintage radio.
AM, FM.
Yeah, it's got a Bluetooth, but I spent $1,000 for the radio.
Yeah, and I never listened to it.
It worked. Well, good, because they're not great radios. They look good. It looks original. So.
All right.
Yeah, it's a engine's 409. When I got the engine, it is standard bores on it. There was no wear on all, so there was 0 on the crank and the cylinder, so it was a really good engine to start with. So when they took it down, took 10 over, and they put roller rockers, Howard cam, it's
It's got a 4-speed trans?
4-speed Muncie, and the lightweight, high power starter, high flow fuel pump, high flow water pump, serpentine belt system on the engine. So it's a really nice 409 that they did, and it's
the exhaust. You just changed the headers on that and left the
yeah,
rest.
put truck headers on the for the exhaust, a new exhaust system and everything, but.
How long have you been waiting to get this car?
I've been looking for almost 30 years, and it's a good thing I got friends like you to let me know when it's available. Appreciate
I'm glad
it.
we found it. 59 Impala.
Impala in the yard, 409 growling in the dark, 4 on the floor, gate feels tight, black paint mean under porch light, chrome strip grins like it's alive, dog's tail thumping while I drive, dust line chasing in the rear view glass, gas foot heavy, heartbeat fast, black paint chrome is shining, shining, moonlight riding on the hood. Every back road in the woods, if trouble's what I'm defining, then trouble's what I'm sitting in. Black paint chrome is shining. I twist that key and sing again. Oh yeah. Oh. Bench seat ripped on the right side, your bare feet up before the ride, skin or shirt hair in my eyes, your laugh cut deep through the pine, shears porch light in the mirror, you said baby hit it, get us clear.